I'm back! Kim here and welcome to my office. Time for Kim here to be done being dead. I thought I would sit down and just chat with you, tell you where I've been, what's happened, but I'm not gonna do that. The stuff I wanna do going forward is supposed to be like motivating and kind of empowering and validating, and like that you don't get that from like my face. We're gonna do like a get productive with me kind of day. I got a hefty to-do list we're gonna try to kill. I'll just chat with you as we go along. So let's get to my to-do list. This whole situation right here is kind of making me hate my life a little bit. And we're just not about that anymore. We're gonna fix it. Yuck. Okay, so let's chat for a little bit. I've been gone for reasons, but I'm back now. We can discuss the reasons in a different video because that's not really the point of today. Today I want to talk about what I am doing with my life going forward because it's going to impact this channel, because this channel is like so much about my life. Oh, here I am organizing my pin board. Well, adding things to it. This is my happy board and things that make me happy and memories and stuff. I like to pin on it. So I found a few things that I wanted to add to it. So that's what I'm doing here. Anyway, so like I said, going forward, I got a lot of things I want to do with this channel. Not a lot of things. I have like 3 or 4 just main things I want to do, and I'm going to keep it at that. I used to do kind of a hodgepodge. I've been travel, I've been books, I've been motivational, I've been all these different things. And now we're going to be this: organizing, cleaning, productivity, motivation, all that kind of stuff. Because my life had a lot of changes, and this is what my life requires of me now. So like this is what I'm doing anyway, and I figured I may as well help other people who may be in a situation similar to mine. I know I've been crazy vague on Twitter about my life changes, and eventually I will be able to reveal all, but for now I still have to keep quiet the really big main change, even though it was very, very good. It did leave me having to actually change my entire life. Oh my gosh, so much better. Clean desk, dust-free. Hi! Since we're in the office, we may as well do some of the office-y things on today's to-do list. First up is to send some emails. Check. Next up is a little digital decluttering. I need to leave a Facebook group that just isn't right for me anymore. Next, I need to vote. I'm gonna put my computery things away and vote. No peeking. Does anybody else feel like you fill out the mail-in ballot wrong every time? Like, I feel like I always do one little thing wrong, or I'm going to do something wrong, and then my vote's not gonna be counted, and I'm gonna be sad, and I don't know. I just feel like I never do that right. So, here's hoping. Okay, so you see these funny little things just hanging on the wall. They're above my bike desk. Oh, cute. There's my workout clothes. And okay, yeah, here's my workout area. Yay. All right. That's husband's area. We don't talk about that. All right. So these shelves, these are floating bookshelves. So I used to have books on them, and it looked like they were floating on the wall, and they were actually very, very cool. But we're minimalizing. We're just trying to get rid of everything that's just making me feel like I can't breathe. Anyway, blah, 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 you've heard it all. We are decluttering and clearing space. So, I'm gonna bring these down just because I want a more simplistic everything, and, yeah, so we're gonna take these down. I've already taken care of the books that were on them, and now we're gonna be done with them. Always be wary when I pull out tools. Oh, and this is husband's 3D printed rocket. We're just gonna put that on his desk. Let's chat some more. So my life totally changed, which meant everything changed. So I had to get like new workflows in my life, in my home, in my job, everything. Everything needed a new flow, which kind of skyrocketed my anxiety. I do have an anxiety disorder that got really out of hand over Christmas time, and I had to do some things to take charge of that, and that's what we're going to talk about next. Okay, heater is on, so it sounds great. And now we have a bunch of holes in the wall. Yay! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, like the tag on it is there. Anyway, neat. Holes in the wall aren't my favorite, but it's still already like cleaner and fresher looking. The floating shelves are off to a very good home, and we're gonna paint in here eventually anyway, so it's like, it's okay. Check that off the list. What's next? The living room is next. We're just gonna tidy it up. I've got some cleaning I want to do that I hadn't finished over the weekend after we rearranged furniture and everything, and I need to find a home for that blanket. Okay, so let's talk anxiety. What a fun subject. There are a few things that I did to get my anxiety more manageable. I mean, it's never going to be gone, but here's what I'm doing to manage it. First is exercise. I'm exercising a lot, like a lot, and it is helping immensely, so I can't recommend that enough. Second, which is more important to talk about, is minimalism and decluttering. Let's chat about that. I am getting rid of everything I own. Okay, not everything, but like a lot. We have taken four full carloads to the thrift store already. And okay, wait, before I go on, that green spray bottle right there is a homemade multi-purpose cleaner. It's just vinegar, water, and some drops of essential oil. Right now, bergamot oil, I'm obsessed with that scent and whatever, but that's what I'm using to like scrub down my windowsill and baseboards and walls and stuff. It's amazing. I got that recipe, I guess, for multi-purpose cleaner from Brianna K, an amazing YouTuber. I'll link her channel below. And since you can't really see me using the vacuum hose, I'm just gonna show you how cute my dog is. That's Chewy. If you're new here, he has to wear a hoodie because he gets cold. We love him. Anyway, minimalism. So much better. It's looking good. So much sun, but like not even mad. Oh, I left my cleaning supplies. I gotta go put those away. Yeah, everybody's happy. Put the flowers from my office right there. I'm still trying to decide if I'm like ready to let go. I mean, I'm ready to let go, but like I don't know if I want to be ready. Is that what I don't know. I'm not really sure. I've been like working so hard to save dried flowers that it's like, I don't know. We got some thinking to do about it. So, quick living room tour. What fun. Those are the stains. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Couch. We have the TV stand as an end table now. We're gonna go get some more at IKEA this week, hopefully, like a coffee table and an end table. Underneath we have the dog's toys and the water bottle I fill up the oil diffuser with. We should turn that on. Yeah. I also have the oils I use right next to it, and I'm gonna get a basket for the stuff for the diffuser and the dog's toys. Well, the dog has a basket. I'm gonna get another basket for the diffuser stuff because I really love diffusing essential oils. This is like our little lady couch, and I'm sorry, but it's so comfortable and it just fits my butt perfect and rocks at the appropriate smoothness, and I just love it. And when we move, we'll have to get something else, but for now, I'm sticking with my little old lady couch. There's a palm tree in the window right there. That's my front door, and these shelves, they've been decluttered massively. I'll have to put in an old video that shows these shelves before and what they used to look like, so they don't seem like I'm minimalist in these shelves, but I really am. Down here in the very front, we have my cute fishless fish tank, my super sweet underwater garden. I have one tiny snail. He's a little pond snail that hangs out there, but he keeps the tank mostly algae free. Right now I'm using my underwater garden to hide the TV cords. Haha, I'm a genius. That's what's under the TV. Hey, that's my living room. That's it. I have 2 more things on my to-do list, well, 3 I guess, that will need to be done in here in the office, and one of them is this pile. That's my craft bag, so it's like all craft stuff that's in there. I need to declutter it. And then this tree. This is a Christmas tree. I set it up in here because it was just kind of the best option at the time, and now I have a different closet with space I can move it to, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so minimalism. I'm gonna minimalize my explanation of minimalism. Basically, less stuff equals fewer worries. Like, since we've gotten rid of so much stuff, I feel like I can breathe again in my house. And I still have a long way to go. Move the tree, check. Check out this super sweet room my husband just made. Well, I mean, there was a room here, but it wasn't a bedroom. It was just like a bonus room, no closet. The ceiling was like literally caving in. Yeah, so husband built a closet and like gave it a better door and made it a little bigger and new floors. Beautiful. All right, so I'm not gonna have time to do the craft bag, so we're just gonna condense it and move it from the middle of the room over to the side. And then I'm gonna floof the bed. That's Chewy's. He likes to lay there. Now I have a little Amazon shopping to do. I want to order those baskets for my living room, so we're gonna measure this one to make sure I get the right dimensions. Okay, so going forward with this channel, you can expect to see motivational homemaking videos, the clean with me, the decorate with me, organizational stuff, productivity videos like this one. I don't know what color I want. Finding the right basket was way harder than it should have been. Anyway, you can also expect some decluttering and minimalism videos just to show you my process and how it's benefiting my life. And that's the future of Kim here. Done! Check that off. That's all I'm gonna have time for today. I gotta go get Ruthie and thus closes my work day. We got more done than I thought that we would. So I'm feeling productive, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling accomplished. I feel like I've done enough for the day, and honestly, all I really had to do today was grocery shop, and I did a lot more than that. So like, I'm feeling really good. I hope you are too. I have a nice little like tip that I'll leave you with. Pick like one thing on your to-do list that's the most important thing to do that day, and if you do that, you won. It's a victory. One thing, big, small, doesn't matter. If you have to prioritize something like I did today, which is grocery shopping, you didn't see that, but like I got it done. Just pick that one thing that has to get done for you, for your family, for the home. That's my phone telling me it's time to go. But pick one thing and get that done so that you're victorious for the day. That's my tip for you. I feel like I probably said a lot of other things while we've been organizing and doing everything today. I hope you're motivated to get a little productive today, and I hope your day's great. I don't have any sort of outro or anything planned yet, so I'm just kind of gonna leave you with a little bit of an I love you. If you want to see a video with like 5 life-changing habits, you can click or tap right up here. I just watched through it the other day and I was like, yeah, this still flies. Thanks for sticking with me. I know there was a big break and there's been a lot of changes on this channel, but I don't foresee any changes with what's coming. You're awesome. Till we meet again. Sparkle on.